length should be like this. This much extra you should have this thread. See, this much you should have. Now the balance is very important in dancing cane. What is balancing? When you leave the hand, it should stand like this. Like this. There should be some distance. And the basic move is you place it like this and you leave your hand and make it float in the air first like this. See it floating. Then you take slowly up and hold it. With your hand you have to hold this thread here. See? And now you have to push your hand further away. Pull it back, push it front. This is the way it moves. You don't pull with your right hand like this. This doesn't look right. And they will know that there is a connection. But when you take this hand front and back, then it moves front and back. Now put this finger inside this thread. Now, if you leave this, this will come to this side. See? You should lift little up and leave it like this. Now, another move is this. You bend it like this and do it like this. It comes from one hand to another hand. See? And after this move, you leave this here like this and move your body, hand along with the cane. Like this. Don't do like this. If you do like this, it will break. This is not the way you should do dancing cane. The dancing cane should be done like this. Move your hand along with the cane, like this. See? You stretch like this and stop it there. There should not be jerk like this. I hope you understood. The basic move is you move with the cane. Your body should go along with the cane like this. This is the dancing cane move. And then you can do this and with your body you can make it go round and round and round. You need not move your hand. Just hold it like this and it revolves around your hand. You should keep both your hands in front of you. Then they will feel that it is not connected to your hand. See, I am not moving. Give a smile. Always give a look at the audience whenever it is moving like this. And you can move this from thumb to middle finger, index finger, and you can go like this. And come back and move like this. I have developed some moves like this. See, you can do like this. From here you can lift it up. See, this is the move I developed. This is my invention. Same way you can go back like this and catch it. Whenever, see, like this it can go, or like this it can go. And at the same time you can go back and front. Practice whatever moves you want, you like, you can do it. At the end, give twist like this. Cut. See, this move is where you will not shake your hand or anything. It's going round and round and round. It can go as long as you want. The trick behind this is you are just moving your body like this, but not with this much of movement. Only with a slight movement I am doing. See, my body is moving, but people will not know. See, this is it. My body is moving, but not obvious. Only just like this. These moves I developed actually.